How to find the best seasonal pop-up events in NYC. Are you curious about how to discover the best seasonal pop-up events in New York City? You are in for a treat. Seasonal pop-ups are exciting, temporary events that showcase a variety of experiences, from art to food. Let's break down the best ways to find these unique happenings. First, start your search by checking dedicated New York City event websites. These platforms regularly update their listings for seasonal activities. Websites like Time Out New York and Eventbrite focus specifically on pop-ups and temporary events. They provide essential details like dates, locations, and descriptions. Next, pay attention to well-known venues that frequently host pop-ups. Places like Bowery Showroom, Rockefeller Center, and Brooklyn Flea are great spots to find a variety of seasonal events. These venues often feature immersive art experiences and themed markets that change with the seasons. Social media is another fantastic resource. Follow the accounts of New York City-based event curators, lifestyle bloggers, and cultural institutions. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are perfect for real-time updates. Many of these accounts share insider tips and early announcements about limited-time events. Seasonal highlights tied to New York City's annual traditions are also worth noting. For example, spring brings events like Macy's Flower Show and the Orchid Show at the New York Botanical Garden. In winter, you can enjoy holiday markets in Union Square, Bryant Park, and Columbus Circle. Many pop-ups coincide with these celebrations, offering unique experiences that reflected the city's culture. Don't forget to utilize apps and websites that specialize in free or low-cost events. These platforms often have filters to search specifically for pop-ups and temporary markets. This can help you discover hidden gems and community-driven events that might not be widely advertised. When planning your visit, consider timing your trip around major seasonal events. For instance, the Tribeca Film Festival in spring or the Z100 Summer Bash concert in summer often coincide with smaller pop-ups nearby. This creates a rich array of activities for you to enjoy. To summarize, finding the best seasonal pop-up events in New York City involves a few simple steps. Regularly check event websites for up-to-date listings. Monitor venues known for hosting pop-ups. Follow social media accounts for insider information. Align your visit with major seasonal festivals and holidays. Lastly, use event apps to filter and discover unique temporary experiences. By following these tips, you will surely enjoy the vibrant pop-up culture that New York City has to offer.